Alright guys, so we just screwed it down in here, mounted the bracket. Guys, so as you can see here, we got some rain today, 0.03 inches. But hey, rain counts as rain. So, pretty awesome. We still have to update the time and the day and all that stuff. But, so far, pretty cool to monitor the rain. Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we're checking out this 5-in-1 wireless rain gauge. So let's go over some features for you guys. I'm excited because this is actually the first rain gauge I've ever gotten, and so obviously I'm excited to review it because it's something that's actually pretty cool. My father-in-law has a rain gauge and he loves it. So let's see. Self-emptying rain collector, integrated indoor and outdoor temperature and humidity, blue backlight, time calendar alarm, rain records, daily, weekly, monthly, and total. Wow. This is pretty cool, guys. Self-emptying wireless rain sensor. The remote range is 150 feet. Wow. That's mind-blowing. So let's see what you get inside the box. I think it's actually supposed to storm today, which would be nice so I can get a video clip for you guys. Because as you guys know, something like this, I want to test it before I give my final thoughts on it. So it's just a manual. This company has a lot of different other stuff. Is that some tips here? Yeah, so there's some tips in here, but we'll get to that if we need to. There's also a instruction manual in there as well. So if we need it, we'll get to it. We'll see. Kind of sounds like thunder. We better hurry. All right, so remove paper board inside before using. Normally it pops out or feels like it could just twist right off. There we go. Ha, I knew it. I knew it. See, we don't need the directions. So let's remove this little tag now. Okay, so there's the rain collector. So as it collects, it dumps it. Huh. Alright, so remove this cardboard. That's what they said. Line this back up. Twist it to tighten. Oh yeah, so you just twist it to pop it off. And then you twist it to make it tight so it doesn't come off. Very, very simple so far. So, quick start guide. Alright, so we need 1, 2, 3 AA batteries. By the way, here's how it looks. Sorry guys. I'm so excited that I didn't even get to show you guys what it actually looks like. But it's very basic and simple. This is the outdoor unit. So it's very simple. It doesn't seem like there's anything else. So it looks like in here, we go ahead and you loosen these screws. And then you put 2 AA batteries inside this thing. Oh, there we go. Okay, so you just got to know what to do. So pull towards you, and that just pops. Oh, okay, so it actually says, and that pops right up. Oh, okay, that's for mounting. That's your mounting bracket. Okay, that's cool. So that's good. We know for mounting. Let's see in here. Getting the 3 screws out. So it's just a simple setup. You just simply go through the setup. And it's funny, I'm not even looking at the directions. I just glanced over just to see. And this is exactly what you do. So that means this system is actually pretty common sense on how it's set up. So now, does it pull out? Okay, so it just pulls up. So you just kind of pull up on the lips here. Make sure all the screws are loosened up. And each side, you just kind of pull it up slowly. Here we go. And we're just going to leave the screws right in there. All right, now we got access to the battery bank. So you need 2 more. So you need a total of 3, 4, 5 AA batteries. So keep that in mind. Okay, so it says leave these with each other for 2 to 3 minutes. We'll probably do it for 5 minutes. This is the screen. So guys, skimmed over everything. On the back here, you have your different modes. You got alarm you can set. You got rain So you can set it to weekly, monthly, total, daily. This is actually pretty cool. I do want to point out, for this bracket, you can mount it into the ground, or well, into a wall or something. So we're going to actually mount this on our deck. That way it's on there solid and it doesn't blow. You could just leave it sitting, but I don't think it's heavy enough. So guys, to reset it, all you have to do is press the rain button and select everything, and then press and hold the rain button again. So for example, under daily, if there's a number, select daily and then press and hold the rain button on the back of this, and it will reset that, and you can go through the whole way up to total and reset it all, which is great. So that's good. So if you accidentally move this around while you're setting it up, no problem. So overall, I'm impressed so far. I like this a lot. So now the question comes down to, let's just get this installed. I'm excited, and I hope we get some rain. All right guys, so we just screwed it down in here, mounted the bracket. Now we turn this upside down and we align it so that it can go through. So let's see here. All right, so now we got it ready and it's good to go. We got to go reset it since we moved it around, but it's that simple. So once we have this set up, now we just got to wait for it to rain. Guys, so as you can see here, we got some rain today, 0.03 inches. But hey, rain counts as rain. So pretty awesome. We still have to update the time and the day and all that stuff, but so far, pretty cool to monitor the rain.